In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share multiple screens on Zoom. Whether you're coordinating a collaborative meeting or engaging in a remote teaching session, having the ability to share multiple displays can be incredibly beneficial. Let's walk through the steps to set this powerful feature up. First, you'll want to navigate to the Zoom website and log into your account. From there, click on My Account. This is where you can manage your personal and meeting settings, so it's a great place to start when making any configuration changes. Next, you'll need to click on Settings. It's located on the side menu of your profile page. This is your hub for all sorts of customization options within Zoom. You can tweak various settings to suit your preferences and requirements for meetings, whether it's video, audio, or screen sharing settings. After opening the settings page, select Meeting. This tab provides an extensive list of features you can enable or disable that deal directly with online meetings, including the critical settings for managing participants and hosts. Now, scroll down to the option named In Meeting Basic. This section includes foundational settings that control how meetings operate and interact. It's vital to familiarize yourself with these options, especially as we enable more advanced features like multiple screen sharing. From here, find and select Screen Sharing. This part of settings deals specifically with how screen content is shared among the meeting participants. You'll want to ensure you're in the right area that allows for deep customization of screen sharing options. Once you're in the screen sharing section, look for the feature called Multiple Participants Can Share Simultaneously. Click to enable this option. Zoom recommends a dual monitor setup for this particular feature, as it helps manage and view multiple screens more effectively. Enabling this feature is crucial if you want to facilitate a more dynamic and collaborative environment during your Zoom meetings. Finally, don't forget to click on Save at the bottom of the screen. Hitting Save will ensure all the changes you've made are actually applied, locking in your ability to share multiple screens. Missing this step is a common mistake, so double check that the setting is active before heading back to your meetings. That's it. You've successfully set up your Zoom account to allow multiple participants to share screens simultaneously. This capability can significantly enhance the interaction and productivity of your meetings by making it easier for everyone involved to present information concurrently. If at any point you need to adjust these settings, remember you can always revisit these steps to fine-tune how screens are shared in your subsequent meetings. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.